Any time you respond with negative energy, it will backfire on you. Every single time, it's like a bomb. Hello everyone, this is Kartika. If you're here to find ways to stop feeling hurt by other people, you're in the right place. I'm about to share with you some tips that you can start applying into your life that will help you stop feeling hurt by other people and also stop feeling like a victim or feeling powerless to other people. So if you're ready, let's get started. Now let me give you a little context. I hear hypersensitive person, hypersensory person as well. I'm very empathic. So I know that pain that you feel when someone comes at you with all that hate and anger, and that energy can totally throw you off. I can totally relate, but it doesn't have to cause suffering and it doesn't have to go into the rest of your day. You can release it then and there, and I'm going to show you how. So let's jump into tip number 1. Tip number 1 is nothing is ever personal. Never ever is anybody's hate or anger or words ever personal to you. Let me explain. You guys already know this. They formulated a story about you, they judged you in a certain way, and they created an image of you in their minds which they're pissed off about and are yelling at. So it's not about you, it's not even personal. It is totally irrelevant for you to feel hurt by it because it's not about you. It's about some version, some picture, some movie of version of you in their minds. So it is never personal. So that's the first step. Let's go to the second one. So my mentor, Eckhart Tolle, he writes in The Power of Now, he says that the ego, the human ego, we all have one, it loves to be offended. Okay, the ego loves it. It's like jalebis and laddus, Indian sweets. Okay, to offense, it loves to be offended by people. Now, when you feel hurt by people, your job is to heal your own pain. Where does that pain come from? It's not from those guys who are hurting you. It's from your past experiences you've had. It's from traumas. It's from feeling pain in the past that you've held on for so long deep in the subconscious mind that is making us feel this bad about people today. So it's not even about them. It is all about our healing. This brings me to the third one, which is the universe is a mirror. Okay, literally, the universe is just a reflection. Why do we care about a reflection? A reflection only reflects what we hold deep inside our subconscious mind, right? So whenever somebody comes with, negativity, bow down to them, say thank you, sage, thank you, master, for showing me what I needed to heal. They're just a three-dimensional reflection of something inside of us that has attracted that into our lives. So again, going back to healing, every time the universe reflects something to you, hate or anger or something, it's our job to look within and find out what in me is a vibrational match to attracting this in my life. And a huge part of that has to do with feeling like a victim, feeling not good enough, feeling powerless. Always attracts people who make us feel the same way. So they're good gurus and teachers to show you what you need to let go of within your own psyche. So just a side note here, most of you already know how to do healing. You've been following me for a while. In case you don't know how to heal your own inner patterns, traumas, past pain, negativities, two things that I can refer you to. One is a practice called Ho'oponopono. It's a prayer. I have free videos on it on my channel. You can find a playlist. Second one is my co-field, the field that I teach. That is what I'm a coach of. It's called mindfulness, okay, a self-inquiry. This is a practice of healing. Now, those of you who are interested in exploring this field of healing, this is what I personally practice. There is a webinar coming up, free webinar on the 20th of this month, which is on Sunday. We're going to explore 3 things. 1, how to be unaffected no matter what is going on in your life. Superpower. We're going to deal with that in the webinar. 2, how do you heal yourself of any form of negativity that you're going through, any form of pain, any form of suffering? How do you release that successfully from your body and from your mind, right? And from your life? How do you release that? We deal with that. And also, how do you manifest the life that you truly want to live through healing? Okay, these are the 3 things we're going to discuss in the webinar. If you want to come for that one and you've never come for it before, you can register for it in the description. So these are 2 ways in which you can start healing: through mindfulness, which you can dive into in that class that I'm going to teach you, or Ho'oponopono, which you can dive in through the playlist I have on my channel. And this brings me to point number 4. People are essentially good. Hard pill to swallow. But people, even the ones who are the most angry, the most aggressive, the most violent people deep inside, are good people who have felt hurt, and that hurt has been overcompensated for through aggression and anger and violence and antisocial behavior. Deep inside everyone is somebody who wants to be loved, understood, and accepted. So, if we know what it feels like to be misunderstood and not to be accepted and loved, we know how much that hurts us. So, hurt people hurt other people. That's the rule, right? Happy people don't go around going, let me tear someone else down. It's only hurt people who hurt other people. So, when you realize somebody is hurt, compassion. They just want to be understood. They just want to be loved. One great way to detonate a bomb when somebody comes with you with hate and they just want to tear you down and call you all kinds of things in front of other people. Respond with compassion, like true compassion, not with holding your pain body, your ego gets hurt and then you're just pretending to be compassionate. That will backfire on you before you can count till 2. Okay, any time you respond with negative energy, it will backfire on you every single time. It's like a bomb. Okay, so instead try to understand that deep inside there is a child even within them that just wants to be loved and understood. And when you can try to understand the perspective, even though you know it may not be true, but even by just trying to understand them and offering a compassionate ear, you can detonate that bomb. And this brings me to my final point, which I want you to tattoo it on your arm, okay? You are not a victim. You are a creator. Write it somewhere, tattoo it on your forehead. I don't know, just make sure you remember this. You are not a victim to the world. You are a creator of the world. The universe is moving through you. How much more power do you have? You are so powerful that you can create anything. So what inside of you created this hate or anger or whatever somebody did to you? What inside of you is a vibrational match to that? Be aware of that. Get into the healing thing. Either come for the mindfulness thing or do Ho'oponopono or do EFT or whatever is your healing tool. But start healing, because when you heal, you'll realize your true power to create whatever you want. And when you heal, you not only stop feeling hurt, you stop attracting things that hurt you either. Okay, so beautiful magic that happens when you start healing yourself. Like I said, for those who are interested in healing their negative patterns and thoughts and emotions and past trauma and fears of the future, please come for the mindfulness webinar. It's happening this Sunday at 4:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. You can register for it in the description. Now, if you liked videos where we're dealing with healing, okay, feeling better, living a happy, healthy life, please give this video a thumbs up so I can talk a little bit more of this and just make your life a little easier. Give this video a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, share this with other people, and let me know in the comments which of these 5 actually touched you the most. Which of these 5 did you resonate with the most? Please let me know. Love you all, and I look forward to seeing you very soon for the next video.